Hello, today we'll be drawing Baby Yoda as a Squishmallow. We're going to start with the eyes first, so start with the big circle. Right in the middle, maybe a little to the left of the paper. Once you're happy with your circle, we're going to go on the other side and repeat that circle. Baby Yoda has big eyes, so we're going to add 2 highlight spots. It's just going to be 2 small circles, 1, and then the second one right next to it, but a little smaller, 2. And repeat this on the other side. 1, 2. And once you're happy with the eyes, we can move over to the mouth. So we're going to do the nose actually. First, we're going to just do a mountaintop curve up, and then we're going to do the opposite, a little bigger for the mouth on the bottom, like that. And once you're done with that, we could draw the outside of the body. Start from around a little bit below the eye to the left and draw a curve up to here, and repeat the same thing on the other side. Start from over here, and then we're going to draw the line to that point. And once you're done with that, we're going to connect the two. Connected. And we're going to draw the bottom line of the collar. It's just going to go from here all the way to here in one line. Like that. And now let's draw the collar sides. It's just going to be one line on this side and the other line on the other side. To split the collar in the middle, we're going to add a line right here. It's just going to be a long, tall S like this. And now we can connect all the points from here to here. And finally, we're going to connect it from this point to finish the collar. Now with the collar done, we could draw the bottom of the body. We're just going to start with a curve from here down to here. Same thing on the other side. Down to there. And finally, connect the two on the bottom. Once you're ready, we can move forward with drawing a line down the middle to split the coat. So start from around here and go down. Do not go all the way down, we're just stop it right there. And we will draw the bottom of the Squishmallow. Just draw a line right there. And same thing for the other side. Once you're done with the body, we can move over to the big ears. We're going to start from around here above the eye and draw a line out like this. And once you're done with that line, we're going to draw it over to here. And it should be a little bit of a curve. And to complete the ear, we're going to go the opposite way, go down, and then connect here to the head. Let's repeat that on the other side. One line up, over, down, and connect. Now we could draw the details. Let's go for the details of the ear first. We're just going to start from the middle of the ear and draw a line up like this. Repeat the line from top, but give it a little room, so we're going to go like there. Downwards. And connect. Let's do the same on the other side. Up. Across. Downward and connect. Now we could draw the eyebrows and details of the face. For the eyebrows, it's just going to be a curve right above the brow like this. And then curve up. We're gonna repeat that on the other side. Down eyebrow like this, and then curve up. Finally, we're gonna do 3 lines in the middle. We're gonna go from here, draw 1 line. Same thing on the other side, 2 lines, and finally the middle, 3 lines. We could fill in the blacks of the eyes now to make him extra cute. Do the same on the other side. And there you have it, your perfect drawing of a Baby Yoda Squishmallow. Now let's just add a little bit of color. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.